Sushi is a delicious snack or light meal and look great, but it's not healthy with all the carbs in the rice. We will solve that problem with cauliflower rice sushi. Let's do it! Sushi rice sticks together because of starch, which give us all those carbs in the rice. Making sushi with cauliflower rice is a no-brainer. Delicious tasting, beautiful, and most importantly, healthy sushi. It's easy. Let's make it. Let's Katie tell you about the ingredient today.
The sushi sheet.
What about this one?
Cauliflower. Salt.
Uh-huh.
Parmesan cheese. Cucumber.
Yeah.
It looks like a pickle to me. Carrots. Lime juice. Soy sauce. Chopped garlic.
Good girl.
Brown sugar.
Uh-huh.
Olive oil.
Let's chop the cauliflower.
Hello.
Katie, can you help mommy?
Okay.
Give this to mommy, please. Next one. Thank you.
That is good.
Yeah. And put the lid on.
This is gonna be loud, guys, so close your ears.
So now we're gonna pulse it in the right-sized pieces, like the rice. Done.
That was noisy. Hello. Hello. Bye bye.
Now we transfer to a bowl.
Hello. When you love some, give it to me, okay?
No.
Please, I love it.
That's my sushi. Sprinkle salt in it to let cauliflower release water out, extra water. And leave it here.
Pour it over
Leave it here for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Can I squeeze, Mommy?
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got a lot of water inside. Can I do it? Can I do it for you, Mommy? I can do it for you, Mommy.
Well done. We're gonna rinse the cauliflowers with water. After you rinse cauliflower with water, and then you need to squeeze the water out from the cauliflower with the muslin too.
Whoa! It looks... Mommy, some got cut off. Just kidding.
Olive oil, dab in there. Then Katie, put garlic in there please. Heat on. I'm using medium heat for cooking cauliflower. Cook garlic until you smell the fragrance. So now add cauliflower, right? Then stir it up. Katie, stir it up. Cook about couple minutes.
I know.
Then seasoning,
I'm gonna do it, Mommy.
brown sugar in there. Oh,
There's only
soy
one.
sauce.
There you go. It's off. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Lime juice. Cheese.
It smells nice.
So done. That's it. Chop coriander. cauliflower rice. Let's prepare cucumber and carrot. We not cook carrot for this sushi because when we eat carrot, they will give you crunchy carrot when you eat sushi. Cucumber, cut the end off. For the cucumber, you need to take the seed in the middle of Right, now it's ready to wrap the sushi. For the nori sheet, there are rough side and smooth side. So you turn the rough side up and your hand need to a little bit wet when you put the rice in there. Spread the cauliflower on nori sheet. Keep some space here because when we roll it, the cauliflower will push it over. Then we add cucumber. See Daisy.
I have some of this for you.
Then use your finger, use your thumb to push and the index here help with the roll. So when we nearly get to the end, tap some water in there to stick nori sheet. And leave it there in that position for about a couple minutes. For this one, I want to roll the cucumber and carrot. When you cut sushi, you need to use a very sharp knife and you need a damp cloth to wipe your knife after you cut it. The knife have to be clean before you cut another roll, another piece.